Let's do a smoky makeup today. So I'm taking this round fluffy brush and I'll take just a little bit of lighter brown shade and I'll apply it in my crease area and blend it with the same brush. My lighter shade is almost done. Now I'll take a little bit of dark brown shade. Now I'm adding a dark brown shade same in my crease area and I blend with the same brush. If you have pigmented black eyeshadow, so you can add directly black eyeshadow here to get a smoky look. Otherwise, you can add a black kajal pencil before your eyeshadow. Like I'm taking this Kashi's gel eyeliner and I will apply this black eyeliner directly on eyelid. It will give me intense black smoky eye makeup. Black kajal is done. Now I will add black eyeshadow on top of kajal. Just get your eyeshadow and just dab it. Only dabbing motion. With this kind of flat brush, I will add a little bit of black eye pencil, or you can say it black kajal. You can use any gel eye pencil, gel kajal to get this look done. And I will blend this black kajal with this brown shade. Dab your shade and just blend it well. After eyelashes, my makeup is done. If you want, so you can do this kind of smoky makeup on it. But if you feel like smoky makeup is looking a little bit dark, so you can go with a little bit of brown eyeshadow with black eyeliner, and I think it will look also good. But I'll suggest to do a black smoky makeup with your black dress on it. It will look bomb. Try it and just let me know. What do you like it? So ये रहा जी हमारा smoky का tutorial.